Welcome back to Dataprobe with Vinod. Today I will show you how to use the group by function in Power Query Editor. You see, this is a general, we'll do this using user interface. We can create a group by, you see here there is a region and there is a column name we can put as sales, total sales, and we can do that sum of that. We have a total revenue column in our data. We'll do this and we can do the normal sales total sales is happened in the Australia this much and Europe this much. Like this, we can create. It is a normal using interface, and we can create this. Apart this, there is a few of the other calculations which are not available in the user interface. How to use that one? By using the M query in the advanced editor. I will show you that one how we'll be going to creating it. See, this is our advanced option. Here you can see there is a add grouping. We'll do add one more item type also here, and based on these two, the total sales is going to creating like this way. You see here, this is possible. But here what happened? The Australia and here Europe, multiple Europes and multiple item types was there. So, but I don't want to show the data here like this. Because there is a many rows was there. I don't want to be put this much rows here. I want to be only one single row. I want to know that all the item types into one list, and as well as that my total sales. Even that sales also I don't want shown here, but which date my total sales, maximum sales is happened in the my overall sales list. What I will do, I will be change it this and I'll remove this one item type here. I don't want item type because I am doing that item type only. Item type is my column name, new column name. I'll take that all the rows here. So I'll be put like this. You see here, this is the table. My total entire table is coming here. All the columns was there here. So what I will do, this is my table. Now I want to do this table convert into the list now, because based on the region, the all is coming into the list. What I'll do, I don't want entire thing is needed here. I'll just remove this till here. I'll remove this. See, even it will be show you the as a table only. Okay. The underscore is indicates as a table. So this table I want to do into list. For this list, I'll use that bracket. Here I will put that item type, the column name. So now what happened? It is converted into the list. So the list having a only one total list of the item types is mentioned here. You see here there is a fruits. Fruits is two times is came here. So like the all items are repeated. Snacks also repeated once again here. Here also there. So we need a one distinct list is needed. We'll use a function called list dot distinct. So this function will use here. See, and it is asking for the table which was the listing items is given here. So I'll be going to use it like this. See now in this list, there's a only distinct values only coming here. See, there is a only distinct values is available. Snacks and fruits, only the distinct values is key. So, but this all the list of the items I want to be come into the one column only with comma separated. How will do that? We have a function called text dot combine text dot combine. This one we can use here. Combine of See here it is asking that list dot combine text as a list. So this is a list we given already. We converted into the list. So this is a my list, right? So this one will be using as a use as comma separated. So like this, we'll have to close the parenthesis here. So now you see this my entire list is came here. See this my all the list of item types is came into here. There is a comma separated. Next, we have to know that maximum sales is happened on which date. Which date is maximum sales is happened by the region wise. We have to know that. So what we have to do? We have to add one more column here. I'll just show you this. Just I'm copying this for you understanding. I'm copying this. I'm putting as a comma. Here the column name is maximum revenue date. We'll do that. We'll remove entire thing here. We'll have to change with this. If we see this, there is a table will be showing in the column. You see your table is coming here. But what we need is we have to know that the maximum sales is happened on particular date. Which date is maximum sales is happened? We have to know that. So there is a one function is there, max table dot max function we can use here, and we'll use that as a table, right? So we'll remove this and each and here maximum of comma. What is our column name is total revenue. Revenue is our column name. We'll see this now. So here it is a record is coming. So there is a sales is happened on particular row. That row details is coming here. So that particular row, this is the order date and this is the shipping date. So this is the shipping date is a maximum sales is happened. This is the order date is a maximum sales is happened. Like that scenario. So what I will do, but I don't want to record here. I have to be do that particular date, right? What I will do, I'll going to bring here order date. So order date. So simple. So this is the order date. You see, wherever that Australia and Europe, you see this all the item types is came in the comma separated and maximum revenue date is happened on this particular order date. This is a 2017-15 like this way, each region wise. This is guys a group by using apart user interface. There is a many other calculations we can do in the advanced editor by using Power Query